Good morning. Can I get an order to go? Let's go! I did not sign up for this. I did not sign up for climbing a tree. Who do you think we are? Bag over. This is what you did? Yeah. And nobody fell. Well, at least we know we're not going to get kicked out. How did you get from the tree? No way Gabe did this.
Wow.
Oh.
You're not even like...
Seriously, how did you do that?
You gotta push yourself over.
Oh. And then onto that thing?
Yeah.
We'll be stuck in here forever.
Try to have the laptop in there.
Go, just in case. Thank goodness that was solid enough. Wow, just threw out my entire body. Every muscle is broken. Just kidding. Nobody's there. I guarantee you there was an easier way to do that. I'm done. Can we go back to the Braille house? Everything is locked. Let's get away from the street. Okay, so we made it to Oakland. We climbed a fence. We're at the spot. I've never been here before, so I have no idea if there's anything to skate here, if any of this is any good. Looks like they capped the thing I wanted to skate. Dang. Oh well, let's go. Man, I really wanted to skate this, 2 curved ledges / manual pad, and look at these like skate stoppers. They're just like perfectly trying to ruin my life. I'm still gonna manual it though.
that fitting?
Hell yeah. Whew. Did the whole thing.
First spot down. That was pretty fun. Betty, what are you doing? The first spot is over. He says he wants to skate that. It does look sick, right?
That looks fun.
God dang it.
This is not easy.
Spider Gabe. He's a spider and his name is Gabe. Yes.
That was good.
Oh.
All right, we came to Berkeley because I had no idea the spot that we were going to is at Berkeley, and I found this best bank, and I was so stoked to skate it, and then I found out it was capped. Man, it's such a bummer what they're doing to us. What are you gonna do, roll away in the grass? No,
Yeah.
you're gonna die.
Impossible.
Oh my god. How'd I get up here?
The hidden skate plaza of Berkeley? What is
You've seen
this?
Skate 3.
I know.
I have a
Oh, dude, how does he stay on that? Oh. That's why I don't skate stairs. A smooth cruise. I wish the app would show better pictures. Man, it's terrible. That ledge, though, if it wasn't capped, would be incredible. Man. Hey, buddy. Hey.
It's very quick afterwards.
That's true.
Let's go. It's hot. It's hot. Let's go.
Oh, he is getting it.
What do you think this is?
A place.
Oh.
What in the world? Yeah, boy. First try. He whacks shit like everywhere. That's death. Yeah, boy.
I need a nap. Can't all get what we want.
Wow. Alright guys, well we hope you enjoyed that video. We got out in the streets and we hope you like it. Which means that you would then go down there and push that like button.
Ouch.
Fetty Bleeds. That is the video title.
Lance
Fetty
would
Bleeds
like that.
for street skating. So if you guys like the video, let us know. Leave it in the comments below. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And we will be making more of these. We're both working on full-length video parts. We're not going to show the tricks that we're saving for our video parts. They won't be in the videos. But we thought it would be cool to take you guys along with us, take you out in the streets. We love street skating. It's like quite the adventure. And
Yeah, it's different.
it's different.
Yeah, more of a challenge than skating something made.
Exactly. So we hope you guys enjoy it too. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Click right here for all the other videos in the playlist, and then go to brailleskateboarding.com and learn to skate yourself. You guys can get everything you need there. Skateboards, videos that teach you how to skateboard, literally everything from in-person lessons to wheels.
Yes.
I'll see you next time.